All right, getting some more update in the story. CNN News 18 have accessed company details and documents of Maha Govt Enterprise LLP. This is the same company whose partner Digvijaya Singh has been mentioned as an accused in the FIR filed at Koregaon Park Police Station. However, documents show that Parth Pawar's son of Deputy Chief Minister Ajit Pawar is also a partner in this firm. All right, Yasha Kotak is joining us on this story. Yasha, many are asking this question there in the state, in the opposition, that when this company has been named in the FIR, why Ajit Pawar's son, Parth Pawar, is not part of that FIR?
Absolutely. In fact, this question remains unanswered. In fact, when we speak of this, the statement coming out from Ajit Pawar had mentioned that this was just a brief association. However, when the entire allegations came out from the Maha Govt, is where questions were in fact raised on this very company. Now, clearly it's been alleged that this company has been involved in getting the government land at a cheaper cost, and there's only 500 rupees stamp duty that has been paid. All of these questions, in fact, remain unanswered. And amidst all of this, what's important to note is that we've been able to access this document exclusively, which clearly show that the same company, which is under the scanner where questions are being raised. In fact, an FIR has been filed, and there are two such land dealings which are under question by the same company, like the Amalia LLP. And when it comes to questions that will be raised on this very company, was where an FIR was filed at Koregaon Police Station on the instructions of the Chief Minister. Now, on the basis of this is where the opposition has also put up a question saying that when Parth Pawar is also a partner in this, why is it only that one partner has been named in the FIR? Now, the documents that have been accessed clearly show the signature of Parth Pawar as another partner also in this very company. So yes, clearly balance sheet, apart from that legal documents of this company, show that there are two partners in this company. One being Parth Pawar, the son of Deputy Chief Minister Ajit Pawar. The other one being Digvijaya Singh, who has been mentioned as one of the accused in this very case.
So, document accessed by CNN News 18's Yasha Kotak very clearly shows that Parth Pawar is partner in that company. Thank you so much, Yasha, for joining us on this story. Now, we're getting some more breaking updates in the story. Now, there is big statement of Sharad Pawar on Parth Pawar alleged land scam case. The NCP SP Supremo has now questioned why FIR has not been registered against Parth, adding that family and politics must not be mixed.
Well, एक गंभीर विषय आहे असं मुख्यमंत्र्यांनी जाहीर सांगितलं. मुख्यमंत्री एखादा विषय गंभीर सांगत असतील तर त्या संबंधीचं चौकशी करून वास्तव चित्र हे त्यांनी समाजाच्या समोर ठेवलं पाहिजे आणि ते काम त्यांनी करावं अशी अपेक्षा. असं त्यांचं मत असू शकतं कोणाचं.
All right, CNN News 18's Mayuresh Ganpati is joining us on this story. Mayuresh, earlier we have seen that Supriya Sule had come out in support of Parth Pawar. But Sharad Pawar is actually giving a very different statement here, saying that he doesn't know why FIR has not been registered and saying that family and politics are different.
Absolutely, that we saw that Supriya Sule had come in defense of Parth Pawar, where she clearly said that I had word with Parth and Parth said that there is nothing or there is no involvement of him. But the grandfather is of a different view. He's clearly saying if Chief Minister is saying that this is a very serious matter and a big matter, then the investigation should happen. And whatever is there should come in front of everyone. And he has also questioned that if there is a kind of an involvement of Parth Pawar in this, then why there is no FIR has been registered against him.
Thank you so much, Mayuresh, for putting this story into perspective. Now we have some reactions on this story. Let's listen.
महाराष्ट्र में चल रहा है फिलहाल जो अजीत पवार जी के बेटे के ऊपर जो इल्ज़ाम लगाए गए हैं आपने जैसे पहले बताया कि मुख्यमंत्री जी ने उसका संज्ञान लिया, उसकी इंक्वायरी बढ़ाई, आप किस तरह से देखते पूरे मामले को? क्योंकि विपक्ष लगातार सवाल उठा रही है कि कुछ ना कुछ तो होगा, तभी तो ये पेपर्स बाहर आए। देखिए, विपक्ष को जब मैं मुख्यमंत्री था तभी से आरोप लगा रहे। मुख्यमंत्री पद जब से मुझे मिला 2.5 साल, अभी तो देवेंद्र जी है, तो तभी से उनकी ये सिलसिला आरोप करने का शुरू है। लेकिन विपक्ष ने आरोप लगाते समय उसके एविडेंस भी देने चाहिए। और अभी तो इस मामले में मुख्यमंत्री जी ने स्वयं जांच बिठाई है। हमारे एसीएस रेवेन्यू के खारगे जी है, उनके अध्यक्षता में, और 1 महीने में उसका रिपोर्ट भी मंगाया है। तो जो भी है, दूध का दूध पानी का पानी हो जाएगा।
How hopeful you are that something will come out of this committee?
I have full confidence that the committee will bungle up the work and essentially prove everyone to be guilty. That has been the pattern of the BJP government, be it in the center or the state. It's probably one of those times where one of those allies is being defamed. What is very important is they're already in the washing machine. Let's see what comes out.
FIR has been registered, but there is no name of Parth Pawar, despite he is holding, I will say, more than 50% share of that particular company. Still, he has not been named in this.
Traffic zao dena thoda. What is very important is, apart from all of these allegations, where is the Chief Minister speaking on this? Even his departments are involved in this. The government from the top to bottom is involved. Do you think just suspending one of the officers, junior officers, is going to solve the case?
नहीं, उसमें हमारा भी डिपार्टमेंट डाला था। तो मैंने खुद खुलासा किया है कि जो एलिगेशन पार्थ पवार साहब के ऊपर हो रहे हैं, वो होने के बाद उनका भी खुलासा लेना चाहिए, क्योंकि उनसे जो मेरी बात हुई है, उन्होंने जो मेरे पास कागज भेजे हैं, उसमें सब जो रिक्वायरमेंट थी वो कागज फुलफिल करने की, वो सब रिक्वायरमेंट उन्होंने पूरी की है। और जो कहा गया कि 21 करोड़ का स्टैम्प ड्यूटी इंडस्ट्री डिपार्टमेंट ने कम किया, तो इंडस्ट्री डिपार्टमेंट का सवाल ही नहीं आता। ये रेवेन्यू ने किया रहेगा, क्योंकि स्टैम्प ड्यूटी का मामला रेवेन्यू के पास आता है।
अब उसका इस्तीफा तो स्वाभाविक रूप से आता है जब बच्चा 300 करोड़ की जमीन खरीदी करता है, घोटाला करता है, और उनके जो बंगले में जहां पे वो बैठते हैं उसी बंगले का एड्रेस दिया जाता है, तो उनको पता नहीं होगा। ये कोई महाराष्ट्र की जनता मानेगी नहीं। हाईकोर्ट के जज के अध्यक्षता के नीचे एक समिति तैयार होनी चाहिए, निष्पक्ष जांच होना चाहिए। और आज जो ऑफेंस कल दाखिल किया गया रात में, उसमें मेन जो ज्यादा शेयर जिनके नाम से पार्थ पवार, उनको भी इसमें आरोपी करना चाहिए, ये हमारी मांग रहेगी।